Master n8n workflow for video creation. Automate YouTube Shorts creation with agents and n8n. We'll be looking at a short video generator developed by AI Agents A to Z team. Let us dive into the n8n flow that we'll be looking at. First of all, we will look at short video maker. Then we will understand the scenes, the various parts of the generation process, and how we are going to automate it. Without further ado, let me show you the video that has been generated by the short video generator, short video maker.
Automation saves time and reduces errors in your workflows. By learning n8n, you can easily connect various services and simplify your processes.
The entire video was created with help of short video maker. Short video maker helps to do a lot of things. The most important point I want to make here is we can automate the input to short video maker and get the video output the way we want. So that's what we are going to see right now. So this particular flow that you are seeing here, this was provided by the short video maker team itself. I'll be showing you the repo and the background information in a couple of minutes. Let me execute this workflow. So the workflow has started. The moment the workflow has started, if you go to the videos back here, you'll see there is a new video that is getting processed right now. Processing will take a bit of a time. We can see the server working in the backend. This is the repo in where you can find the details of short video maker. As I already told you, short video maker has been developed by AI Agents A to Z team, and when it comes to the short video maker itself, it has a lot of interesting stuff. If I go to the how it works, I came to know at least 3 informations today that was mind-blowing. First thing is Kokoro TTS. The Kokoro TTS model is used for converting the text that we provide to the short video maker, and it creates the audio using this Kokoro TTS. There are various voices that is already available, and these voices are really good. You guys must try it out. Next is Remotion. Remotion is one of the best available programmatically video making package right now. So take a look at that. First thing is you can see that a lot of existing applications are using Remotion. So that is one thing. Apart from a short video maker, there are other applications that is already using it. So take a look at the demo. You will find a lot of information around that. And moreover, it's a free license, and you can also have the company license too, right? And comes the third information that I was talking about, that is Whisper C++. You saw in the video that there was captions, right? So the captions were matching with the voice, correct? This is happening because the Whisper C++ is taking the voice, transcribing it into subtitles, and then putting it back on the video. So this entire process works in tandem. So that's why you are able to get this. So in one repo, in one particular application that I explored today, I found 3 massively game-changing open source applications, open source packages. And apart from that, the relevant background videos are taken from Pexels. If you scroll down, you will see it. You can use Docker to run this a short video maker, and you need to give the Pexels API key here. So this Pexels API key, if you go to your Pexel account, you can easily find it out. I'm not going to discuss about that here, but you can easily find it out, and you have to place it in this location. Short video maker also can use CUDA runtime, and this is the tag for Docker for CUDA runtime. You can use that also. I'm using that only. So here, if you go back to my server, so here we can see the video has been created successfully. And if I go back to the server and back to the videos, you can see that the new video is ready. The earlier video had a very different kind of a people and the background, and now you can see it is having a different video and the background, correct? So the idea of working on these kinds of videos and pulling it from Pexels, this videos is coming from Pexels, the background videos. So we'll be seeing a bit about it. I will not dive deep into how the entire process works, but I will show you what exactly happens so you can understand if something breaks. right? So first thing is, if you click on create new video, you need to provide the text. So I'm going to say you have to provide the text, and I will make a video out of it. And I'm going to say the search term is going to be magic. And I'm going to have only this very simple input. I'm going to leave all of these things as it is. The video configuration can be changed. You can make it as landscape or portrait. Portrait will give you the YouTube shorts kind of settings, and in case of landscape you will get the widescreen settings. The default voice is AF Heart. You can actually change the voices here also. The music can be also different. So there are these musics that is available, and you can change it to the mood of whatever you are going to do here, whatever scenes that you are going to create, right? So in this case, I should be having an excited music because it's about magic, and usually there is excitement around it. And now if I click on create video, the same process will start. So it will first transcribe the text that you gave in the scenes area, and then it will try to get the video from Pexels based on the search term that you are given. Magic was the search term, and after that you can see it's happening here, right? You see the video that you see the text that I gave, and the also there will be the, yeah, that is missing. Yeah, here is the term that I had given. So the tags that I have given, right? So these things will be used for in the Pexel API calls, and you will get the video accordingly. And then what will happen is the audio will be converted to text using Whisper. The captions will be placed. It will be stitched together using Remotion, and you will be getting the full video. All of these things happens at the back end. That itself is a huge automation, guys. One of the big things that I wanted to share is the thanks to AI Agents A to Z team for making this open source. That's very important. So they had taken all the open source applications, and they created another one server which actually helps us to work in a more streamlined fashion. So you can see the magic background video that you are seeing here, and if I remove this, and if you can see the caption here, right? So all of these things happens automatically. Well, this videos looks very small, right? So what if we want to make a longer video? So you can actually add more scenes here, and you can add more search terms. It will start pulling out all the data and the video, and it will make the video for you. You don't need to do it manually. You can actually do it with help of this particular workflow that you are seeing here. I'm not diving directly into the workflow. There's a lot of things that is pretty common here. The first thing that you need to be aware is the scenes creation prompt that has been used inside the agent. So we are going to create the scene, and here we are just asking for 2 scenes, and I asked the question how important it is to learn automating with n8n. So that is why you see the video is based on the n8n, right? I get the scenes, and apart from that I get all this music style. So I get this from the server. So if I go to the server, if I press this checkbox, you can see all this music mode, right? So that is what it actually comes here. So basic API call is done to the server. The server actually runs on 3123 port number. So you can see that here. I am running the server inside a GPU, and I am doing a tunneling to get to the server, and that's what you are seeing here. So this entire logs that you are seeing here is from the backend call that I have made to the server. So let me execute this step. So it will generate the content, and you can see that it will create 2 scenes for me. So this is the text 1 scene, and this is the text 2 scene. It has created 2 scenes, and after that I need to use the scenes and then pick the right music for it. So I am giving the scenes here, and I am asking which tag to use. So that tag is also selected by the agent only. So this is where the agents are coming into picture, right? Because why we need the agent here? Think about it. So I am going to create some 10 scenes. I don't want to keep on thinking about what kind of music I will choose for each of the scenes, right? So I can get the agent to pick it for me. and then I can start generating. So when I start generating the video, I need to send a post request to this server. I need to send the post request to the API short video endpoint, and then in the post payload you can see the entire you can see the entire payload here, and if I execute this step, you can see the map in a much more better way. So let me go into the scene. You can see the entire text along with the scenes has the list here, and that is also made into a JSON payload, and then we are sending it into the API short video endpoint. So that's how it works, right? And after we do this, after this is done, the video process starts. Once I start generating, right, the point is here the post request has been already sent. You can see there is one video getting processed, right? That is because I sent a post request. And now if I go into the check status, and if you execute this step, you can check the status of the video that is being generated, because the video ID is available with us already. So you see the video ID here, right? So this video ID, so it uses that to get the status. So it is processing. And then finally, once the video is ready, so once the status becomes ready, instead of processing, if it becomes ready, then it goes to the next step where you can download it. So I believe that in this discussion we understood a lot of details, like how the short video maker works, understanding how the scenes and the search term works, how the settings of audio generation works, what is the manual steps involved if you are going to create scene by scene, and finally how n8n with AI models automate this entire process. You need to understand what these agents are doing, right? So I believe that this video was helpful. Do leave a like, and also visit the AI Agents A to Z GitHub repo as well as their channel to find a lot more informative details. And finally, do let me know if you have any comments, and if you have any feedback, you can put it in the comment section and I'll be able to help you guys. With that said, see you guys. Have a great time.